यूएस ईरान के बॉम्ब शॉट शायद हमें सुनाई नहीं दे रहे, बट हकीकत ये है कि बॉम्ब फट रहे ईरान में और होल हो रहे पॉकेट्स ऑफ रियल एस्टेट डेवलपर्स। लगभग हर बिल्डिंग मटेरियल, चाहे वो सीमेंट हो, टाइल्स हो या फिर वो फेनेस्ट्रेशन, प्राइसेस हैव इंक्रीज 25 to 30%। लेकिन करे तो करे क्या, जाए तो जाए कहाँ? अगर सब प्रोडक्ट के प्राइसेस बढ़ चुके हैं तो व्हाट चॉइस डू वी हैव? अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ एक चॉइस है फेनेस्ट्रेशन, तो आप कहेंगे हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल? एल्यूमिनियम प्राइसेस हैव इंक्रीज बाय 25%। I am not talking about aluminum. I am talking about a strategic shift. No, I am not talking about a cheaper alternative. What I am essentially talking about is a smarter solution, which in case of fenestration is UPVC. As you know, UPVC windows give better sound, heat and dust insulation. But the question that rings in our head is, where is the brand which can give affordable, still quality windows, that too at scale? Here I introduce you to IndieFrame. So what makes IndieFrame your go-to brand? At IndieFrame, we handle end-to-end, right from profile systems till window installation. Everything is in-house. We have a manufacturing capacity of 1 lakh square feet per month, which helps us deliver quality windows at scale. And it is not just about scale. We are very mad about quality. When I talk about quality, every window goes to about 30 checks before it is dispatched. And this quality is backed by a RERA compliant quality certificate. As a new age company, we are completely tech driven. We have optimized our processes to suit the needs of the customers. Our tech is customer friendly, where we give dashboards to our project teams where they can visualize what stage the project is, and they have complete control over the entire project, which is the biggest concern of most project managers. तो अगर आप देख रहे हैं quality windows at affordable prices, then you know where to go. IndieFrame is there in the center of the city, right here in Malad.